For millennia, the pyramids of Egypt have stood like silent sentinels on the Giza plateau, motionless, majestic, and timeless. Guardians of secrets that have defied the ages. These colossal stone monuments, crafted with an almost superhuman precision, continue to baffle engineers, scholars, and archaeologists to this day. Throughout history, countless theories have emerged. Royal tombs, astronomical tools, symbols of divine power, or even remnants of forgotten civilizations. And yet, despite centuries of study, excavation, and endless speculation, their deepest mystery has remained buried, sealed in silence, hidden beneath the stone. But now something is changing. A team of Italian researchers led by the charismatic and controversial Professor Corrado Malanga has announced a discovery that could rewrite everything we thought we knew. A revelation that might represent a true shift in our understanding of ancient Egypt. We're talking about an intricate system of underground structures, a buried city hidden beneath the Giza plateau, a vast labyrinth stretching for kilometers horizontally and plunging hundreds of meters into the earth, dark shafts spiraling into the planet's core, tunnels weaving like living veins beneath the desert's skin, chambers carved into solid rock with an almost unnatural precision. And no, this isn't science fiction. This is what appears to be emerging thanks to a groundbreaking technology, one capable of seeing beyond the surface into places no one has ever been able to reach before. And so, the inevitable question arises, who built this secret world? And why has it remained invisible for thousands of years, hidden from the eyes of explorers, archaeologists, and treasure seekers alike? Get ready for an extraordinary journey, an exploration into the heart of a discovery that could leave a permanent mark on history. But first, as always, we invite you to subscribe to the channel. It's a small gesture that helps us immensely and ensures you won't miss future updates on topics you won't find anywhere else. At the center of this scientific revolution is Corrado Malanga, a former professor of organic chemistry at the University of Pisa. He is a polarizing figure, unconventional, visionary, and often criticized for his theories that venture beyond the limits of mainstream science. Malanga has spent decades investigating the mysteries of consciousness, UFOs, quantum physics, and unexplained phenomena. Yet behind his bold ideas lies a brilliant mind, curious, relentless, and unafraid to explore the unknown. At his side is engineer Filippo Biondi, an expert in satellite radar systems. In 2022, the two co-authored a paper published in the journal Remote Sensing, laying the foundation for an ambitious project, using advanced radar technology to probe the hidden secrets beneath the pyramids. The key technology? Synthetic aperture radar, or SAR, enhanced by an innovative method, Doppler tomography. Now, SAR isn't exactly new. Developed for military purposes during World War II, today it's used to map terrain, monitor landslides, track climate change, and even assist in archaeological surveys. But it has a limitation. Radar waves can only penetrate a few meters into dense materials like rock or compacted sand. So until now, SAR was essentially useless for exploring the inner depths of the pyramids. This is where Malanga and Biondi's breakthrough comes in, combining SAR with Doppler tomography. In essence, they turned radar into a tool that can listen to the subtlest vibrations of the ground beneath our feet. Every hidden object has its own vibrational signature, like an invisible tuning fork struck by waves we cannot perceive. By analyzing these micro-movements, caused by natural events or human activity, the radar can detect buried structures with unprecedented accuracy. But the real masterstroke is the software Biondi developed, a system capable of converting electromagnetic signals into sound waves, analyzing phonons, the quantum particles that describe how sound moves through matter. In other words, the radar doesn't just see, it hears, and it builds 3D reconstructions as if performing a planetary CT scan. According to the team, this technology can detect structures as deep as 700 meters below the surface, a depth no other non-invasive tool can reach. In 2022, the researchers aimed their radar at the Great Pyramid of Giza, attributed to Pharaoh Khufu. What they discovered was astonishing: a hidden corridor, 9 meters long, located above the so-called Grand Gallery, a space never documented before, precisely engineered, possibly part of a far more complex system. And that was just the beginning. The radar images revealed a network of chambers and passageways arranged on multiple levels, many at depths never explored before. Some of these spaces appear to have been designed to amplify sound vibrations, suggesting the pyramid may have been more than a mausoleum. It may have been an acoustic device, a living architectural machine built to manipulate sound itself. This theory was further reinforced by results from the Pyramids Project, an international initiative that has been using non-invasive technologies to study the pyramids since 2015. Using cosmic particles called muons, Pyramids also identified a large void above the Grand Gallery, the very same space uncovered by Malanga and Biondi. Two radically different technologies, one identical result. Yet as always, controversy followed. The team's new work, presented in 2025, has not yet been peer-reviewed, and some experts have questioned the reliability of their findings. Others have attacked the remote sensing journal itself, labeling it as predatory, despite the fact that it remains indexed in all major scientific databases. To counter the skeptics, Malanga and Biondi decided to test their technology on known structures: the Goddard Base Tunnel in Switzerland and the underground laboratories of Gran Sasso in Italy. In both cases, the Doppler tomography produced detailed 3D images that perfectly matched the actual layouts, proving the tool's effectiveness. With confidence gained, the team turned their attention to another giant, the Pyramid of Khafre, second in size on the Giza Plateau. Long considered less mysterious than Khufu's pyramid, Khafre revealed instead an astonishing complexity. 5 massive vertical structures shaped like the letter Z, shafts plunging more than 600 meters underground. 2 enormous subterranean cubes, each measuring 80 meters per side, connected by an intricate web of tunnels. Structures far too regular to be natural, too geometrically precise to be random anomalies. Their symmetry strongly suggests an artificial origin, and if that's true, it means what we see on the surface is only the tip of the iceberg, that beneath the sands and stones of Giza lies an ancient world, vast, forgotten, and still waiting to be revealed. Hi, I'm John. Our journey into mystery continues. If you want to uncover more hidden truths and answers to the greatest enigmas, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Together we'll explore the unknown, and who knows what secrets we'll find.